This is a map that I've been working on. This is using Google Earth. I'm showing it to you on a 30-inch monitor. But over here is WSJT, and every 15 seconds, or WSJTX, and every 15 seconds it's pulling FT8 decodes. Those go into an application that I've written called DXFunnel, and that spits out KML for Google Earth. The yellow lines that you see here are within the last minute. The red ones are within 5 minutes. The purple lines are older than 5 minutes, and the blue ones are older than 15. So with that, you can kind of see how the band's been moving around. The map tries to update itself every 4 seconds. The map code generates KML every, I want to say 15 seconds, so it generally is about every 15 to 20 seconds it gets an update. Almost as fast. It's almost one full cycle behind. It's a little more than one full cycle behind an FT8 sequence. So if a bunch of people suddenly come in like that, you start to see these lines go across like that, the yellow lines. Anyway, the nice thing about this is you can easily just see how small I went from this to this, and not really any issue. You can make it even smaller. I'm having a little trouble grabbing the edge there and doing the camera at the same time, but you get the idea. Maybe that's as small as it'll go. I don't know. Anyway, if you want to compare maps, there's a comparison to what I've been using versus what I have now. And if you notice, there's like this slightly increased yellow going to the northeast right here. It's more yellow than this and this. And it'll change, it'll come and go. Since the yellow updates every minute, those are the new lines. They stick around for 1 minute. So if there's been a surge of reception within a minute, and there you see that it must be slacking off just a little bit. But again, it's pretty cool to watch it change. It's actually, the volume has gone down considerably in the last hour or so. Even so, the band looks packed. Looks like 20 meters. These lines here are power line noise local to here, but you can see beacons down here, and CW band here, and sidebanders here, and then JT65A here, and then this is the FT8 stuff that I'm monitoring, which is in this screen down here also. I'm using 4 SDRs right now. One on JT65, one on FT8, one on MSK 144, and one on CW covering from 0 to, I think it goes up to 192 kilohertz Morse code. So the only thing left out is sideband, which I don't really use sideband that much. So for me, this is covering everything that I do. I just wanted to share what this map looks like as it's as it changes. I haven't really seen anything this dynamic before. One of the cool things about these digital modes is that I can see other people talking to other people. I can see people talking to other people. So there's the first tier, which is me hearing directly people, and then there's the second tier, which is who they're talking to. So here you've got N6AL talking to NA9RB, or you know, different people. East Coaster talking to a West Coaster. Well, I can hear, let's say I can only hear the East Coaster, but I can see these talking to a guy on the West Coast. Then I can draw two lines. I can draw the line to the East Coast guy and the line from the East Coast guy to the West Coast that he's talking to. So I get two lines for the price of one data row. And it makes sense. It works because you know, it's real. They're actually having communications. They're talking to each other. Anyway, that's it for now.